welcome back. So it's a comfort food video today. It's fall here finally in Arizona, and I'm getting that feeling like I want to make something really fun to eat that's a comfort food that has been around for so long, and I can't think of one person that I asked if they wanted a shepherd's pie that was not only yummy but super nutritious, super low in carbohydrates, vegetarian, gluten-free, and just as yummy as you remember when you were a kid. Probably better. I like to think it's better. But so we're gonna do this as holistic as possible, because we all know if we're holistic, we can all be hot at any age. Hey, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and you know what? If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So here we go. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients I'm gonna use, and we're gonna get started and make this real quick and real easy. So these are all the ingredients I'm using. We're gonna start with the corn. That's about 2 cans of corn, just with a little bit of sea salt in it. I probably am only gonna use about a can and a half. I'm not gonna use all that corn. Then we got some fresh spinach and some onion and mushrooms and fresh garlic, and of course the cauliflower, which I'm going to make cauliflower mashed potatoes with, put it on top, and then a little bit of the Earth Balance butter, that's vegan, and I like to use hemp milk. You can use any type of milk you want, just don't use anything that has any sweetener or vanilla in it, of course, or it might kind of make it taste a little funky. And then we got some garlic powder, some chopped onion, which I think adds a lot of flavor, and then this I got at Costco, the pink Himalayan salt and herb blend. And it's got really great ingredients in it, but it just has this incredible flavor that I really think really adds so much flavor to this meal. So it's just pink Himalayan sea salt, garlic, lemon peel, red pepper, basil, oregano, spices, and natural flavor. So I got that at Costco, so see if you can find it. It does add a lot of flavor to a lot of different things. Like I said, I'm going to do this in my Ninja. Actually, the guy who gave me this was a Ninja too, but I just actually didn't know until it was too late. He just came in and just tore my life up. But I love the Ninja. It's awesome. I mean, there's always good that comes out of something bad. You ever notice that? Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I am going to add a little bit of milk and a little bit of butter. I'm going to measure out both because that's what I do. And we'll pour it on top and put it in the oven. So I got the meat and the vegetables that you saw I cooked. I did the vegetables first, and then I pushed them to one side of the pan, and then I did the Impossible Burger, which is the vegetarian burger, which is really new and awesome. And then I kind of seasoned that separately, and then I mixed the two. So it's kind of double seasoned, so it tastes even better, I think. Put it on the bottom of the casserole dish, and then put the corn on top. And then we're gonna do the cauliflower mashed potatoes. And if you've never done cauliflower mashed potatoes before, they're super easy, they're super quick, and they're really, really good. I mean, they're really creamy, and after you bake it, you would have no idea that it's not potatoes. So if you're trying to, you know, scale back on your calories and your carbs, this is an awesome substitute for the potatoes. So what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of hemp milk. I love this hemp milk, it's really great. You can use any type of milk you want, just don't use anything that has any flavoring like vanilla or is sweetened at all. I would stay away from that. And another tablespoon of butter. And then I'm gonna mix it all up and pour it on top. So I got it all whipped up, and you can literally just pour this right on top of it. It's so cool. And whatever doesn't pour out, you can scoop it out. And I got a big head of cauliflower. If you get a small one, it may not be enough, so you might have to get 2 if you get a small one. But the beauty of cauliflower is it's so good for you. It's super low in carbs. It's got vitamin C, it's got folic acid, it's got potassium. So you can't go wrong with cauliflower. I love all the substitutes that you can use for cauliflower, like for, you know, cauliflower rice or pizza crust, or even just mashed potatoes. If you're making, let's say, maybe a meatloaf, you can have cauliflower mashed potatoes. It'll keep your calories and your carbs really low. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning on top just to make it look better. A little bit of pepper. So a little bit of pepper. And then we're going to bake it. We'll bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes on 350 degrees. So I definitely have some fall and winter comfort foods that I'm really excited to make, but this is definitely one of my favorites. It's super easy. You know, you've got so many different things in there with regard to vegetables and protein and a little bit of corn. Of course, it has some carbs in it, but I mean, it's so low in fat, calories, and carbs that you can't go wrong, and you can eat a good amount of it. And that's what I want. I mean, I want to be able to eat a normal portion and maybe have seconds and not feel guilty, like, oh my God, I'm gonna gain weight because I just ate that. So this is just a really great meal. You can even have a salad with it if you want. But hey, if you have a comfort food that you want to make and you're trying to modify it in any way to make it lower fat, calories, or carbs, write me a comment and hopefully I can help, and maybe I'll feature it on my channel. So thanks, you guys. Hey, if you like the video, please share it with someone else, and we'll see you next week. Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.